Yeah, so now that they, weren't limited by the constraints of their WordPress blog, Balfour was able to get a lot more creative with the layout and design, as well as incorporate elements that visitors could engage with to learn more. So they included some widgets about the weather at the site and maps that you can hover over and get information about the team's flights, where they're staying, and the communities that they're servicing. There's also bios for each of the team members, which feature a personal video from each of them and a link to their personal donations page to help fund the project. And then using an embedded form, they even created a postcard like function so that their friends and family could reach out and Balfour would send the messages to the team that was on site. Updates from that field team could be added really easily to the published site. These included progress photos of the bridge and the team's adventures for visitors to explore. And then using this scroll feature really allowed them to highlight the project's many sponsors without taking up a ton of room on the page.